Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil mursalin.
يا ربنا اغفر لنا يا ربنا ارحم لنا يا ربنا اغفر لنا يا ربنا ارحم لنا. When you're searching for the light and you see no hope inside, be sure and have no doubt He's always close to you. He's the one who knows you best. He knows what you heart. You'll find your peace at last if you just have faith in Him. You're always in my heart and mind. Your name is mentioned every day. I follow you no matter what. God will for me to one day, 'cause I believe. I believe. I believe. Do you believe? Oh, do you believe? Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammadin. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammadin. 'Cause I believe in a man who used to be so full of love and harmony. He fought for peace and liberty and never would he hurt anything. He was a mercy for mankind, a teacher till the end of time. No creator could be compared with Him, so full of light and blessing. You're always in my heart and mind. Your name is mentioned every day. I follow you no matter what. If God wills to me one day, 'cause I believe. I believe. I believe. Do you believe? Oh, do you believe? If you lose your way, believe in a better day. Trials will come, but surely they will fade away. If you just believe what is plain to see, just open your heart and let His love flow through. I believe, 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 I believe.